Hello, my friends, it's me Manuel from the Good Life Sosua, and here I do have an update of the flooding in Sosua. In case that you're interested in watching this video, please like and subscribe. 50% of my viewers are not subscribed to my channel. If you had the time to subscribe, please do it. It will help me a lot. Before starting talking about the flooding, they sent me a video of the security camera that filmed the explosion. So just right here, I'm gonna put it for you, and then we're gonna talk about the flooding. Okay, my friends, so here you will see the explosion that happened in Sosua. So this is a lawyer's office, a law firm office. So you will see how strong the explosion was. Look. Look at this, my friends. This was insane. Insane. They're still investigating about actually what happened. In case that I have an update, I will be posting a video about it. But at the moment, we don't have any update. The only update that we have is the video of the security camera that did actually film the explosion. Okay, my friends, so talking about the flooding, since it was raining too much, part of a mountain collapsed. Yes, and it went in the half of the street. So I'm gonna go to Google Maps here so you can see exactly where was the collapse. Let me just type here Sosua. So in this area right here. Okay, so here, just right here, is like a huge mountain. So this part, everything went down, 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 and block the streets just right here. It was insane. Everything here was completely blocked. Imagine all those people that had flights that had to go to another country. It was insane, and people couldn't come in nor go out. So here you will see like the video of the high traffic. Look at this. Let me just zoom in. Look at this. So here was the mountain that collapsed, and they're trying to clean everything here so people can pass. Let me see if I have look at this, my friend. Look at this traffic. So all this piece right here, let me just stop here. Imagine all this went down, and look at all those traffic. Look at this, my friends. It was insane. Let me just forward the video. Look at this. And the bad thing here is that people don't respect traffic. Look at those people right here. How people can just go into Sosua? They can't, because they're blocking all the traffic. They're just blocking. Look at this. They're just blocking all the traffic. Oh, okay. Just here, it's a great example of what actually they're doing to Sosua Beach. So these blocks here will be like restaurants and stuff where you can just go and enjoy. Obviously it's not finished yet, but soon actually will look very, very nice. Look at this, my friend. Everything is traffic, traffic, traffic. look, it's insane. Look at this. This is just crazy. Look. Look. Let's see if he captures. So the supermarket. Look at that. People are here returning. Imagine people that has to go to the airport. I think I have a thing here. Okay, so here you can see like actually like the traffic, and remember those are people that are in motorcycle. You know, if you're actually in a motorcycle, you can just pass through small pathways, but it was not possible. It was just not possible. So here you can see more or less the whole part that fell down and all the traffic. And this is a picture that they made. All this part right here just fell, and this was the affected area, just right here. You can see traffic in this side, traffic in that side. So it was crazy. Due to all the rains as well, like a house in Sosua Bajo was collapsed as well. So they're trying to help them. Look at the streets. How were the streets? Look, the streets were completely damaged. Look. Now you can't go up there right now since the street was completely damaged. Look, this is the streets, my friends. And look how many water we have here. So they like the president order like some big trucks to help the north coast to clean and put easier the traffic, you know. So they send those trucks so they can start like cleaning everything ASAP. And here you can see that they are working in the back part. The police is just right here trying to smooth the traffic. That actually did a good work, to be honest. But a lot of people are telling that they lasted too long and everything. Well, you must understand that it was the 24th of December. Imagine no one think that this will happen. Everyone wanted to have time with their families and stuff, and I do understand that a lot of people from Puerto Plata side wanted to cross to Sosua or Cabarete, and people from Cabarete to Sosua wanted to cross to the Puerto Plata side. So that's why they tried their best to manage this situation. So here you can see that the streets are open and the traffic is smoother. You see? Look, people, for example, you see, maybe this guy is coming from the airport. Look, he preferred taking a moto concho instead of a taxi because it will be way faster. Look, this expat with his luggage. You see? And a lot of people were actually taking that option to go to the airport when that issue happened. Most of them were taking Moto Concho to go to the airports. So this is the house that collapsed. This is the house that collapsed. And imagine. Look at this, my friends. It's very, very sad that all this rain make this happen. But you know, most of them people that built those houses there, they actually built like illegally. Most of them. I will not tell that this in specifically was built illegally, but they just make it by themselves, not by a professional. Because you know, you're close to the river and you must have a lot of things in consideration in case something like this happens, you know. But you know, here builders, you need to be very careful with who you build, because at the end, if you are building cheap, at the end it will be more expensive for you. Trust me. So just pay to a company that is reliable, and whatever they say, maybe just ask for a small discount, but don't go cheap in construction, because this then will happen to you. And look, here they're telling that they need to be very, very careful. So because here is a rock. The only thing that is attaching the rock is small, like woods and the plants. At any time, this rock can just go down, 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 and can make an accident. Now the traffic is more smoother now. So here there's a guy that made this video of the flooding, like next to Seahorse Ranch, and this is all the flooding. It's like almost a river. Look at that, my friends. Look at that. So yes, my friend, this is everything for today. In case you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. As I mentioned you before, 50% of my viewers are not subscribed to my YouTube channel. If you're not subscribed, please, it takes less than 5 seconds to subscribe. Please do it, and that will make me happy. See you, bye bye, and stay safe.